Morning, everybody. It's Friday morning around 8:36, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is number 1225, and I'd like to remind everyone to please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It's very supportive of the cause, and it costs you nothing. Okay, so Spirit Airlines says they're going to talk to JetBlue about their offer. Frankly, I'm a little surprised to see Spirit really not doing better. I mean, there's already one bid, which, kind of has been accepted, but now there's this other bid at $33, and I don't understand why the stock isn't at least $3 or $4 higher than where it is. Uh, Goldman Sachs downgrades Robinhood. Stock is 1163, down 44, 3.7%. WD40, WDFC beat top and bottom line. Stock is 191.99, up 17.48 or 10%. And interesting that UBS downgraded Hewlett Packard HPQ uh, with a price target of 40, which is pretty close to exactly where it closed last night, right on top of the Berkshire buying a piece of it. So UBS says PC softness, but obviously there's something going on there. And Kroger, KR, up another dollar and change. B of A recommends it, upgrades it, and that one has had a huge run. It started with their earnings. Actually, the stock in the end of February 24th, was selling for 44. 5 days later, it was selling for 62 and a half. Consolidated for the last month, really, between about 57 and 54, and this morning is trading 61.60, up $1.72 on that recommendation. So pretty decent. Two others I'm just going to mention quickly. I've been talking about Sunshine Bio, uh, and uh, it's really been all over the place. But the fact is, they have a really positive result from using the mRNA platform for cancer. And in the last week or so, it's been substantially higher. And this morning, it's higher yet again. I mean, this is a stock that on Monday closed $2.26. The high so far today is $12.38, and the last is 11.13, up almost $1.50. So another 15%. That's kind of interesting. The other one that I want to mention is the disaster du jour from yesterday on absolutely no news. In fact, there has been no news really of any consequence on this company. It's called Blue Water Vaccine. The symbol is BWV. And it came public. It did 2.2 million shares in an offering at $9 on February 18th. It opened at 50. It traded to 57 and change there, and in fact traded as high as $90.90. On Wednesday, it closed at 59. Yesterday, it closed at $10.17, down 48.83, down 82%, and this morning is 13.59, up 3.37. I only mention it because, I don't really feel like this is a healthy market. These are not the kind of moves that you should be expected, you know, on no news. I mean, it isn't like they came out and they said that their new vaccine platform for the flu, which is basically what they are, is a failure or anything. There wasn't any news. So, you know, unless you bought it at $9, you're probably out money at yesterday's close. And, this morning you're up 30% again. Also, there's a lot of talk about this Goldman Sachs fund. It's called the 1869 Fund, and I have no problem with it. It's a fund. 1869 is when Goldman Sachs was formed, and it's really a fund that's exclusively for the partners at Goldman Sachs or ex partners at Goldman Sachs. They're the ones who have access to it. Again, I don't have a problem. It's just another something that is offered the same way that any other benefit is offered to, an employee or even an ex-employee. So, a lot of hoopla about not a damn thing. Uh, Earlier this morning, the Dow was up 153, up 60 in the Nasdaq, up 18 in the S&P. The Dow is now implied open up 86, so it's given up almost half. The Nasdaq is up. I take it back. It just went into the red. It's down $3, and the S&P is up about $5. So I'm skeptical of yesterday's rally. It didn't have any breadth. It didn't have any kind of reasonable advanced declines. Short, sharp rallies in a bear market. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Oh, chart on the screen. Corn. We have a crop report today. We seem to be rolling back to the upside. It looks like we're going to be really close here to the 20-day going through the 5-day going through the 20 to the upside. That's the old Dick Donchen rule. And, with just a few exceptions up here in this consolidation, we haven't been solidly below the 20-day, except for a couple of days here in quite a while. I mean, it broke above it. To give you an idea of what that would look like, it broke above it here at roughly $6.11 and started a 3-month move all the way up to the contract high here, 782. So I'd really like to see this close above this 7. I keep on using this number, 762.5. We've been through it, but we haven't closed above it. All right, everyone, have a good one and a good week.